guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Pondicherry, also known as Puducherry, with the cheapest booking code, so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. If you're looking out for budgeted hotels in Pondicherry, we've also compiled a list of that, and that list is in our description box below. Accord Puducherry Hotel. This is a 4-star very popular hotel in Puducherry. It is just about 10 minutes away from the city center, and all the tourist attractions are very much accessible from this hotel. The guests here are made to feel extremely comfortable and welcomed. The hotel provides all the top class facilities and amenities. They have a fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool, a massage center where you can unwind and relax. They also have an in-house bar, a coffee shop, a poolside bar. The hotel has an in-house restaurant which serves American, Chinese and continental cuisine. They also have a 24-hour room service facility. The rooms here are extremely huge and the beds are very comfortable. You could either select a pool view room or a city view room depending upon your choice. Some of the room categories also have a bathtub attached. The pricing of the room starts from 4,500 and goes up to 12,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Villa View Ocean is next up on our list. This is one of Pondicherry's luxurious boutique hotel. It is located centrally in the French colony of Pondicherry. You get a very home away from home kind of feeling staying at this hotel. They offer quality accommodation and great services. The hotel provides amazing top class facilities. They have a beautiful rooftop swimming pool. They have a tour desk where you can plan your daily tours, an in-house bar, a coffee shop, an in-house restaurant which serves French and Indian cuisine, and it also has a 24-hour room service facility. This hotel is just a 10-minute walk away from the beach. Each and every room here in this hotel is very well equipped, and some of the rooms also have an attached bathtub. The rooms here are priced at around 5,000 rupees onwards, and this hotel has different categories of rooms available as well. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the booking codes in our description box below. Le Pondi Beach and Lake Resort is next up on our list. This is a 5-star hotel about 30 minutes away from a city center. This hotel guarantees a very pleasant, comfortable and great stay for their guests. There are a lot of interesting sightseeing options very close to the hotel. They have the Paradise Beach, Chumbar Boat House and Veerapatnam Beach very close to the hotel. This resort also provides some really fancy amenities. They have an in-house fitness center, an in-house spa and sauna where you can just unwind and relax, an outdoor swimming pool. They also have a coffee shop and an in-house bar. The resort has an Indian restaurant where it also provides 24-hour room service facility. The resort also has rooms which have a private pool access to it. If you are looking out for a private pool access, you could either opt for the pool villa or the presidential suite. The resort is priced at around 7,500 to 25,000 and you can select them according to your budget. From some of the rooms, you could enjoy the pool view or the sea view depending upon your preference. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. The RKN Beach Resorts is next up on the list. This is a 3-star hotel which is set on 8 acres of green land in a very relaxing environment outside the city. It is about 30 minutes away from the city center, surrounded by fishing and farming villages. The beach is just about 2 minutes walk away from the resort. This resort has some amazing top class facilities. They have an in-house spa where you can just relax. They also have a separate gaming room, a table tennis center, a fitness center, a kids playground, a badminton court, an outdoor swimming pool as well. They serve a variety of tandoori and international cuisine at the restaurant, and the restaurant also provides a 24-hour room service facility. The rooms here are extremely comfortable and spacious. They also have options of a private pool rooms available. The pricing of the room here starts from 6,000 rupees onwards. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the booking codes in our description box below. The K Resort is next up on our list. This is a 4-star resort which offers quality accommodation and very great services to their guests. They have a lovely garden where you can just sit and enjoy the beautiful stunning views. This resort is centrally located, which makes it accessible for you to explore the tourist attractions and activities. Apart from this, they also provide wonderful services like a mini golf course. They have an in-house bar, an in-house poolside bar, a coffee shop, a kids playground area, an in-house swimming pool. The restaurant at the resort serves Asian, Chinese and European cuisines. You can also enjoy the wide spread of continental breakfast available at the resort. The rooms here are priced at around 9,000 rupees onwards. Some of the rooms also have an attached private bathtub. You can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Have you dropped us your like button yet? If not, we really appreciate your support. You can also subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities and also a lot of travel tips. The Ashok Beach Resort is next up on our list. This is a 3-star resort extremely popular amongst the tourists. It is about 30 minutes away from the city center, but you can access all the local points of interest from this hotel. All the top class amenities and facilities are provided by this hotel. They have an in-house fitness center, an outdoor swimming pool, a kids pool. They also have a children's playground, a massage center where you can unwind and relax, an in-house restaurant which serves seafood and Indian food as well. The rooms here are extremely huge and you could either enjoy the beach view or the pool view depending upon your preference. The pricing of the room starts from 6,500 rupees onwards, and you can check the cheapest booking codes in our description box below for your direct booking. La Villa Hotel is next up on our list. This is a 5-star hotel which is situated in the white town or French colony of Pondicherry. Since the hotel is centrally located, it offers you access to all those city must-see destinations. The hotel provides excellent service and superior facilities. They have a beautiful outdoor swimming pool and a stunning garden where you can just unwind and relax. The hotel also offers tour desk services where you can plan your daily tours. They also have a lovely yoga room where you can just sit and meditate and relax in peace. You can also enjoy the wide spread of a continental buffet breakfast every morning at the hotel. All the rooms here are very well equipped. They are extremely spacious. They also come with a separate seating area. The rooms here are priced at around 12,000 rupees onwards, and we have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description below. The Promenade Hotel Pondicherry is next up on our list. This is a 4-star hotel which is situated in the white town or French colony of Pondicherry. It is about 15 minutes away from the airport. This hotel gives access to all the tourist attractions and activities. You can access to the rock beach or seaside promenade from this hotel. It is one of the few resorts in Pondicherry which has an in-house nightclub. Apart from this, they also provide some amazing amenities. They have a tour desk available where you can plan your daily tours. They have an outdoor swimming pool which faces the beach area. They have an in-house gift shop. They also have a garden and a karaoke center. There are 3 different types of restaurants available at this hotel. One of the restaurants gives you the view of the beautiful beach. They serve Asian, Chinese, Indian and continental cuisine. The rooms here are extremely spacious and you could opt for 2 single beds or 1 king bed depending upon your preference. The pricing of the rooms here starts from 7,000 rupees onwards. To make your direct booking, do check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. This hotel was built around in 2010. It is an extremely smart choice for people visiting Pondicherry on business or as a tourist. It is just about 30 minutes away from the city center. The hotel gives you a very royal luxury type of feeling. You can enjoy stunning views from each and every corner of this hotel. The hotel provides some top class facilities. It has an in-house fitness center, a spa center where you can just unwind and relax, an outdoor swimming pool, a gaming room, a coffee shop, an in-house restaurant which serves Asian and continental cuisine. They have a very beautiful garden and you can also enjoy walking through the gardens. It is also one of the few hotels which has an open jacuzzi balcony. You could enjoy the pool view or the lake view from your private balcony of your rooms. The rooms here are priced at around 6,500 rupees onwards. To make it easier for you, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. The Residency Towers Puducherry is next up on the list. This is one of the most fanciest hotels in Pondicherry. For those of you looking out to experience the top class facilities and services provided by the hotel, this is your place to be. The hotel provides some amazing amenities. They have an in-house spa, a steaming room, a massage center where you can just unwind and relax, an in-house bar, a gaming room, a fitness center, a nightclub, and also an indoor swimming pool. The rooms here are extremely huge and they have a separate seating area. The beds are very soft and comfortable. The pricing of the room starts from 6,000 and goes up to 18,000 rupees depending upon the category of room that you select. We have also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. In case you have visited any of these hotels, please share your experiences in our comment section below. Do make sure that you check the cheapest booking codes in our description box below, which will help you get the best deal for your stay. We wish you a safe and a pleasant stay.